Okay, guys, I'm gonna plug this blue cord into my 3D printer. I got this blue wire with the 3D printer, so you plug this in the back of your computer. There's like a USB cable in the back of the computer. So I plug it into my 3D printer. It should turn on when I plug this in. Alright, it's turning on. See away. Yeah. I'm trying to need kind of help with my 3D printer. I don't really know how to print anything yet. But I do know there's some websites, 3D printing websites you go to if you want to 3D print something. I've heard of things that call them Thingiverse. I think that's like a 3D printing. Thingiverse is a website dedicated to the sharing of user-created digital design files. Primarily free open source hardware designs licensed under the General Public License or Creative Commons license. Founder is Breed Pettis. Kind of looks like one of my friends. Kind of looks like one of my friends named Seth. Breed Pettis. Thingiverse. So Thingiverse is like all these 3D printed files. I think I'm actually supposed to make my own 3D printed model. I'm really still a beginner at this 3D printing stuff. This is a beginner 3D printer, and I always thought to get I always wanted to get another one too, because it'd be cool if I want to 3D print something to get two of them, because you could probably print two things at the same time. I mean, if you really do want to sell things and make a product, maybe made I could probably print two things at the same time if you have two 3D printers or three 3D printers or four of them. So I do have a 3D printed part that I actually bought online that someone gave to me. It's just Batman 3D printing part. This is made in plastic. It feels pretty hard. Yeah, this Batman thing. This was 3D printed. I don't know what printed this is, but this is really perfect. This was actually 3D printed. This Batman thing. I actually bought this online. Yep. So, but if you guys know anything about 3D printing, can you guys help me on what to do, what I have to do in order to 3D print something?